Okay, thank you for joining me for another video of home bodyweight workouts. This morning, I've already done some aerobic exercise, some aerobic warm-up exercise, warm-up routine, and I'm going to do some push-ups using the chair. Basically, it's just an angled up push-up using the chair, and I'm going to use kind of a close triangular grip like this. You may not be able to see the grip, but you'll be able to see, showing you now how the grip will be. It's more like a triangle grip. So it's pretty effective. And so it's a close grip I'm going to be using on the chair. I'm just going to push the chair forward a little bit, and then put my feet at the right angle. Okay. Back a little bit, and just be careful of not letting the chair slip out from under you or something like that. And what I'm going to do actually to superset is I'm going to do these with the close grip, and then I'm going to supplement it with some push-ups against the wall. Okay, using the back of the chair. Okay. All right. So let's begin with this one here. Okay. So it's just a close-in grip, and just do as many as you can. Okay. Keep your back straight as you're doing them. Breathe normally. Just breathe naturally. Breathe normally. Okay, and the close grip targets the inner chest, and because you're doing an angled push-up, so this also targets a different area of the chest, the lower chest. Okay, so just keep going and keep doing them as quickly as possible, and then afterwards you can do a little superset. All right, so push your forward and just keep your form nice and tight. Keep your back straight. The close grip is quite a bit more challenging. But challenging usually means that you get more benefit from the exercise, okay? So just keep going and keep your form straight. Breathe normally. Just do the whole routine and do it nicely, and keep all the ducks in a row, so to speak, as you're working out. All right, and try not to hyperventilate. Okay, here we go. Keep your weight nice and firm on the chair. Put as much of your own body weight against you as possible. You want to use your body weight against you, to make the exercise as difficult as possible. And it gives you a nice pump, this exercise. When you use the chair, you can use different angles. You can use a higher angle or a lower angle, and they all target the muscles in different areas. All right, so let's go one more time here. Okay, I'm just going to keep going until I reach kind of multiple levels of failure. But it's starting to give me a good pump, and I'm really starting to feel it, in my chest muscles. The close-in grip is more challenging. You really have to focus on balance because you don't want to fall over as you're doing them and injure yourself. That might not be, especially with your body weight completely on the, on the chair. You definitely don't want to fall over, then you could really injure yourself. So just be aware of that. Balance with the close grips, close hand positioning, whether it's back or whether it's chest, it makes it a bit more challenging, and balance is key.
All right, so let's go again. And you can always fine tune them. Just try to fine tune the, you can do as many as you can to multiple points of failure when you're doing body weight exercises, because you don't have to worry about weights falling on you or something like that. But it definitely gives you a nice pump, a nice muscle pump. But I'm just going to keep going. Alright, so I'm starting to reach multiple points of failure now, and I'm really starting to feel a good pump in my chest, all over the chest. And again, the close hand positioning sort of really works the inner chest, sort of this area here. And it's easy to do at home. It's very convenient and easy to do at home, or in your hotel, if you're in a hotel, using a simple chair. Okay. Yeah, you will notice quite a nice pump. What I'm going to do now is just kind of flex a little bit for about 20-30 seconds, just to give the muscles a little extra tear. Just a little pump to get the muscles going and just tear the muscles and rip them a little bit more. That's pretty good enough. 20 seconds is enough. 20-30 seconds. All right, so let's go one more time. All right, so I'm not able to do as many as I could at the beginning, and I'm feeling a pretty good chest pump from this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the chair this way, and I'm just going to do some like higher ones, basically like wall push-ups, but using the chair as a support to do a little bit extra, an add-on exercise. But I'm going to do a couple more of these first. So max out. You do not have to max out every time. Sometimes it can be counterproductive to do so. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold just as long as I can in about a midway position. And that should be good enough. All right, let's turn the chair this way. Turn the chair this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some wall against the wall. So this is a much higher angle here. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to do basically the same grip, close grip. And I'm just going to push against the wall. So just be aware of balance, because you don't want the chair to fall over, which it can easily do. Okay. And it's just targeting the muscle a little bit differently. All right, so that's just targeting the muscle from a little bit of a different area. But it's giving me a nice pump. It's really giving me a nice workout now. And that one is just an additional exercise. So I'll keep doing them. All right, and my hands close grip again, basically like the triangle position, but just close together. And just make sure the chair doesn't fall over. Put it against the wall. Yeah, that is really quite challenging after the other exercises that I just did. But that's okay. We want to challenge ourselves, and you can really push yourself as much as you can when you're doing the body weight exercises. All right, so let's go one more time here. One more time. Just be aware of the balance. You don't want to flip the chair over. That's very important. But you can see my hands are very close together. All right, just hold a little bit. All right, again, this is just an add-on. This is just an add-on exercise after the initial ones. So it's just a good way of getting an extra pump in there. And I'm going to flex one more time to rip the muscles a little bit more. Okay. Just give it a little extra rip, rip the muscles and gives it a little extra benefit, so they have to grow a little bit more. And you can even, in between, you can do a little bit of aerobics, just to keep your heart rate up. Kind of like cross-training exercise. Just mix it up as much as you can. All right, so let's go one more time. Oh, balance is very important. Okay. All right. A little bit more of aerobics in between. Keep that heart rate up and keep you motivated. Keep the heart rate up and keep you motivated. Go, go, go. Let's go one more time here. Hands close in the middle of the chair. Be very aware of balance. Oh, that's getting tougher and tougher. Okay. But that's a good thing about body weight exercises is you can just really max out. You can go to your absolute limit and you don't have to worry about injuring yourself or injuring, the weights or the floor or something like that. And I find that, the workout is really good. Okay, so let's go one more time here. Okay, and I'm really reaching the limit here, so I'm just going to hold it right there, and just get a little bit extra benefit. Okay. All right, and just shake it off. Shake it off. All right, and just flex one more time. I'm going to flex one more time. I'm obsessed with flexing today. All right, maybe just flex for another 10, 15 seconds. And that is the chest workout for today. So hopefully, if you do this one with the other one, you will get a really nice benefit from that. And you can work hard on just work hard on maxing out and doing some variation in your exercise program, because variation is key when you're doing body weight workouts. So anyway, you can tell I'm a little winded now, but thank you for joining me once again, and keep motivated to get fit at home or get fit in your hotel. And thank you very much again for joining me, and we'll see you next time.